money from the tip
touch
jar.
her money.
You understand there's videos there, right?
Yeah.
So do you want to think about this whole thing? Because everything was filmed.
In part 1, we showed you footage from a coffee shop where employees called police after a woman allegedly took $20 from their tip jar. In this video, we bring you an update on this case. You may be surprised of the outcome.
So here's what's happened. The one lady, she stole our money, like our tips. And we have video and picture how she put her hand in our money. I don't know. And also,
That was today?
yeah, it was like maybe 20 minutes ago. I don't know why it's can be. I don't know if you can. It was our tips.
Do you know how much it was that she took?
So it for sure it was around the $20. Like, of course it's not too much, but still it was $10, $5 per
Yeah,
shot.
of course.
One,
It's wrong.
like,
So you want to press charges?
а Ірина видіє. Так, він каже, що ви що їдете, що ні, йому типу все рівно, то нам вирішувати або посадити її, або знайти, привезти її сюди. Okay, we can do wherever she can go to jail.
So yes,
Yes.
you want to press charges?
Yes, please.
Okay. You have your ID with you?
Police gathered the suspect's description and information, and after a
Go
short
here.
search, police was able to locate her.
Let's go this way. Understand so I can talk to you. Okay. With these rights in mind, do you wish to talk to me?
Yes, I don't know what you're talking about.
Okay. So I got called to a coffee place that y'all work,
Yeah.
and you want to talk to me about what took place there?
Yeah, we stopped in, we ordered coffee, paid for it. Then I went back to the counter and I bought a gift card, which I have the receipt for.
Okay.
We were sitting there drinking our coffee, and then the girl with the dark hair came over and started speaking in whatever her native language is, and like she never really said anything. She just kept speaking in our native language.
Okay, she said something about money, right? Money taken from somewhere?
I guess she's talking about her tip thing on the countertop?
Correct.
I didn't touch her tip thing. She was there the whole time.
Okay, you understand there's videos there, right?
Yeah.
So do you want to think about this whole thing? Because everything was filmed. You didn't
I
touch
don't know
any.
what she's
You didn't touch any of the tip jar.
No, why would I? She's standing right there. And her coworker was right there.
Okay. Are you being honest right now?
Yes, sir, I am.
So the cameras are lying when they saw you going into the tip jar
I
twice.
didn't take anything from her tip jar. I have my receipt from the purchase of the card, and this is my money, and it's not her money, this is my money.
Okay. You have your ID with you?
Yes.
Okay, well, like I said, this video of you taking the money, you went into the tip jar and went twice and grabbed the tip jar, from the money from the tip
I
jar.
didn't touch her money.
Okay? So she wants to press charges for you taking the money.
I didn't take her money.
Now, we have video of you going to the tip jar and taking the money. So why you stick your hand inside the tip jar?
I didn't put my hand in her tip jar. And if I bumped against her tip jar, I certainly didn't take her money.
What do you call that?
I can't even see it.
Look, again, taking the cash out, money coming out, okay? It's like I'm telling you, there's cameras. And you're a very dishonest person because I'm giving you the chance to tell me what really happened,
I told you what
okay?
happened.
So I'm going to need you to turn around. You're going to go to jail for theft.
Jail?
Yes.
Oh my
You back
God.
up.
Please back up.
It's my daughter.
Give that to your daughter if you want the wallet. Yes, we're not playing games.
Yeah. Please let go of the purse.
I can't. I tried to close it.
Okay.
That if you would have spoke to the lady and gave her money back, probably she wouldn't have pressed charges.
Can I speak
but
to
it's
her?
too late now. She tried talking to you, and y'all took off.
She did not
and
speak to
And you
us
said,
in
"Oh, it was only a
English."
couple dollars." Okay, so.
That's not what I
Okay.
said. She showed me a picture that had nothing.
Then, are you giving me permission to give this to your daughter?
Yes. Sir, can I go speak to her again?
It's too late.
I think you're being...
I'm not the victim. Okay, she
Can
wanted to
I
press
speak-
charges.
Can I speak to
No.
her?
Okay. Do you have anything inside your
No.
person? Anything sharp?
No,
anything
I don't
illegal?
have anything.
Okay. All right, let's go this way. 5-7, come on, have a 10-15.
Can I go back and give her $20?
What's your step going down?
I mean, if I'm... Oh my God. Can I give that lady $20?
Ma'am, it's too late.
Sir,
She wants to press charges. It's not up to me.
you said if I gave her money back, if I give her $20.
When she confronted you,
She never said anything
yes, she
about
did,
giving
and y'all
her
took
money.
off.
No, she was
Okay.
speaking in whatever her native
Did
language
this happen to
was.
Funky Rooster?
700 of there was Caroline, the coffee place.
Oh, okay.
Here,
Can my daughter come?
no, she's not getting arrested.
Well, how is she going to find me?
We only have one jail. We'll give her the information.
Well, I guess apparently all that on the place.
You're 20, right? You're 20 years old?
23.
23, okay, you're an adult.
Can I go?
Ma'am, she's going to the jail. I cannot go with you. You cannot come with her. Okay?
Will I be able to make a call or something?
You can go whoever you want. You have your cell phone on your hand.
Like, can I call my mom? Or, like, I don't know, the jail?
They'll let her use her phone once she gets there. Okay?
Okay.
What?
I said okay.
Okay? Alrighty. Take care. You're gonna go to jail for theft.
Sir, I didn't take her money. I'll give her money.
It's too late for that, ma'am. It's not up to me. She wanted to press charges for you taking her money. If you would have talked it out with her when you were there, it would have been different, but you decided just to leave the store.
Because I didn't take her money.
You're aware that I showed you the video of you taking the money, right? So,
What they have on camera, I paid her for what I bought.
so the camera's lying now?
You know, you're treating me like I had a gun and robbed the place.
Okay, but you stole her money. You stole her tip jar.
I'll give her $20 cash back.
She decided that she wanted to press charges. There's nothing I can do about that.
So what
Okay.
do I do?
I just enforce the laws. That's all I do. I'm not the victim here. I cannot do anything about that.
So what am I doing?
You're gonna have to go to the jail and see the judge in the morning.
I have to stay overnight?
Correct.
No, I can't do that. I didn't do anything. Can I please do, you have to understand, I didn't do anything. Can I please go to her, give her $20, and she and I can maybe talk? Hello?
I already explained that to you. I already answered that question.
You're treating me like I'm a criminal. Can I Can you please just take me back to her store so she and I can talk?
No, ma'am, it's too late for that.
Can I call her?
You can call from the jail if you want.
Ms. Earlywine was charged with petty theft. She pleaded no contest to the charge and was required to pay a $1,000 bond for release, a $223 court fine, and $20 restitution. Thanks a lot for watching this video. Unfortunately, this is the part where we have to quickly talk about the YouTube algorithm. If you made it this far, you probably like watching these types of videos. So please leave us a comment, like and subscribe, and check out some of our other videos. This will greatly help the algorithm know that people are engaged, push this video out to new audiences, and help us with future projects and newer, better videos. Because of how YouTube works nowadays, if this video doesn't perform in the first couple of days, they'll shelve it, and it never will. Every video we make takes a great deal of time and effort to put into what we think you'll like watching. So if you appreciate that, that's an easy way you can help out for free. Anyway, that's it. Thanks for watching and for leaving your comments.